Get excited about the 2010 Lexus RX 350. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power trunk closing assist, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated and ventilated seats, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.